Hello, welcome to this episode. So far we've gone through mocking up a website, prototyping it, and then encoding each page into web pages. So we actually wrote our HTML for each one of the pages. So at this point, although we don't seem to have something that looks like what we prototyped, but we've done quite a lot in this project. So I decided to go through all these stages in order to show you the process that is used in businesses. That is used in the world, in practical world, okay, like in professional world, what people usually do, either individual developers or teams. But from team to team, it varies, and it can go very deep, and also from individual to individual it can vary and it can go deep. And the tools people use from one team to another or from one person to another can vary as well, but the whole idea stays the same. So come up with an idea of what you want, organize the whole thing into something that looks like what you expect to build, and then finally prototype it into something like, okay, this could be what we want to build, and then finally start building it and so on. So in some cases, the stage of encoding this prototype into HTML pages can be done at the same time as the styling stage. So what I'm trying to say is that so far what we have is we have a bare HTML page, bare HTML pages. In some cases, even myself, I wouldn't do it for all the pages before I can style them. So it's because I really want to show you the difference, to separate the two cases, and because I assume you have no idea of what HTML is, you have no idea of what CSS is. So I want you to see the difference, to know that they are distinct, and how do we bring them together. So we'll do the same thing with PHP, a little bit of PHP and then a little bit of JavaScript, just for you to see how to coordinate all these elements together into the same website. So that's one of the main reasons why I decided to go step by step in details, in order for you to be able to understand this whole thing, how it all comes together. So in our case, since we've prototyped each pages one by one, now it is the time for us to think about styling it, beautifying our page. So in our next video, we are going to do that, starting from the home page and so on. In fact, when we start, you see that there are shortcuts to even do some styling that can go throughout across all the pages. So I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial so far, and if you do, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and then sharing them into your WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, and so on, and we will really appreciate that support, and that will encourage us to bring more content in this area. Thank you so much, and see you in the next episode, where we are going to start our pages using CSS. Bye.